Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get the werewolf and the vampire quest. So right now we're going to do it and let's show you guys. So basically it's from like an event from Halloween. As you see, I completed one capture outpost. And so we're going to basically do 2 of them. So let's get started. So in my police jeep, or in, police jeep, So I'm not gonna make you guys wait all that long, so I'm just gonna skip it. So I forgot to video when I killed 100 werewolves, but I did it. As you see, we got a cool, low man, as you say it. And let's get on the kill enemy players. So let's get started. See you guys. So I done it. I forgot to video, but at least we're on next to. Let's see how is it the play. Oh my god, it's glitchy. And okay, it's like I think the F-116 golden thing. It's like it. Okay, it's pretty fast, Okay, it doesn't shoot when you touch it. Has explosive bullets. So it's good. I'm gonna end it here, so bye guys, see you next